Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you're struggling with false breakouts, missing the best trade entries, or getting stopped out too early, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be revealing the break and retest trading secrets that professional traders use to increase their accuracy and filter out bad trades. So stick around till the end because I'll be sharing pro tips that can take your trading to the next level. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on powerful trading strategies like this. So now, what is the break and retest strategy? The break and retest strategy is a classic price action setup that helps traders identify strong continuation moves in the market. Okay, it works on any time frame and applies to forex, stocks, and even crypto trading. So here's how it works. Basically, price breaks through a key level of support or resistance, right? Let's just look for a practical example. Okay, let's look for a practical example. Okay, we can see what happened here. You can see that we actually had all right, okay, we had kind of, well, this, we had a resistance zone around here. I'm just going to widen this a bit. Okay, we have a resistance zone around here, right? You can see that there was rejection here, there was rejection here, there was rejection here, but still I think we can say that this is actually the major zone of resistance. This seemed more like a false breakout and another false breakout here. But basically what we are talking about in this video is break and retest. So we actually had a legit breakout here, right? We had a legit breakout here, and then we had a retest of the resistance zone. Remember that when a resistance is broken, it turns into a support, right? So here we had a legit breakout and the resistance then turned into a support. So after the breakout, you can see that the price came back and retested that breakout point before we had a continuation in the direction of the breakout. Okay, so if the level holds as new support or resistance, we can enter the trade in the direction of the breakout. Sounds simple, right? But there's a catch. Not every break and retest setup is valid. Okay, let me show you what to look for. Now, many traders fall for false breakouts where price breaks a level but quickly reverses. To avoid that, here's how to spot a high probability setup. Okay, you should be looking for strong momentum. You want to see a decisive breakout with strong candlestick bodies, not just wicks. Okay, a slow wick breakout might be a trap. Okay, but you can see what happened here. You can see this strong decisive candle, right? And then, that was the candle that led this legit breakout. Then after a while, we then had a retest. Okay, so in that case, after the retest, you can be looking for an entry point. Okay, there should be a clean retest. Price should come back and respect the broken level without excessive consolidation. Then you have to get a confirmation candle. Okay, look for a bullish rejection candle, that is for a bullish breakout, or a bearish rejection candle for a bearish breakout. Okay, you can look for any candlestick pattern, whether it's a pin bar or an engulfing candle or just a strong rejection wick. This confirms that buyers or sellers are stepping in. Okay, then always have confluence with other indicators as well. If the level aligns with a trend line, for example, or maybe a Fibonacci level, or a moving average, then the trade becomes even stronger. All right, so you should always get confirmations, right? Always get confirmations. Okay, if you have a confluence with other indicators, you have an even stronger signal. Now, many traders get trapped by false breakouts and weak retests. And here are the biggest mistakes that you must avoid, right? The first is entering too early. Now, just because price retests the level does not mean that it is ready, okay? Always wait for confirmation before entering, all right? And secondly, do not make the mistake of ignoring market context. A break and a retest works best in trending markets, okay? So if the market is ranging, right? If you have a ranging market, false breakouts are more common, right? You can see, for example, this was literally a ranging market here, and you can see that there was a false breakout here, there was a false breakout here again, right? Because you can see that price was legit bouncing between this resistance and this support. So at this point we had a false breakout, at this point we had a false breakout, then this was when we had a legit breakout, right? We had a legit breakout around here finally, okay? So do not ignore market context, all right? And do not make the mistake of not using a stop loss, all right? Always place your stop loss just below the retest zone for a buy or above the retest zone for a sell, okay? To avoid getting stopped out by minor pullbacks. Now that you understand how the strategy works, here are some pro tips to maximize your success, okay? Use the higher time frame for confirmation. It's very necessary. If you are trading on the 15 minutes or 1 hour chart, you can check the 4 hours or the daily time frame for stronger levels, all right? And then watch out for volume. Watch out for volume increases on breakouts. I'm just going to add the volume indicator, okay? So remember that when there is a breakout, usually, right, usually there is an accompanied increase in volume, right? There is usually an increase in volume when we have a legit breakout, right? So a strong breakout should be backed by increasing volume, like what we can see happen around here, indicating that there was real market participation. And then ensure to combine with trend lines and Fibonacci levels, all right? If a break and retest setup aligns with a Fibonacci retracement level or a trend line, then it adds extra confluence to your trade, all right? For example, we can see what happened here. We can see that after this breakout happened, we can see that this retest coincided with the 50% retracement level on the Fibonacci. Right, we can see that the 50% level was where the retest ended. Right, it was actually between the 50% and the 61.8% before we had a continuation in the direction of the breakout. Now, also set alerts and be patient, okay? Instead of staring at your charts all day, set price alerts at key levels and wait for confirmation before entering. And there you have it, the break and retest trading secrets that can help you enter high quality trades and avoid costly mistakes. Now, if you found this valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover more price action strategies, okay? Also, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video where I'll break down another powerful trading strategy, all right? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.